welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will be sharing with you one of my fat burner smoothie recipes that you love to try. To start off with this fat burner smoothie, we'll start by peeling a pineapple. First of all, I have washed my pineapple with apple cider vinegar and water, but if you haven't got apple cider vinegar, you can use salt and water. So I'll go ahead now and peel the pineapple because we'll be using half of this pineapple for this smoothie. Pineapples are sweet and very easy to incorporate into your diet and very affordable as well. Pineapples do contain an enzyme called bromelain. This enzyme helps with indigestion, fights inflammation, because pineapples are packed with nutrients and vitamins, especially vitamin C. It helps fight common cold, boosts your immune system, and helps with the absorption of iron from your diet. So it's worth having pineapples in your smoothie or just consuming them just the way they are. So we've peeled our pineapple now. I'll divide the pineapple into two. As I earlier said, we'll be using half of our pineapple, but I won't be throwing away my pineapple peelings because I use this to make tea, weight loss tea. I'll show you guys in another video how I do use my pineapple peelings to make weight loss tea. So we'll just chop up half of our pineapple into blendable pieces. And I will refrigerate the other part of the pineapple for another day. And next ingredient now is ginger, a thumb-sized ginger. I have peeled and washed the ginger already. So I'll just go ahead and chop our ginger up. Ginger is very high in gingerol, a substance with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It does prevent obesity, which is what we are trying to do here. It reduces inflammation. We will go ahead now and start the blending process. Our pineapples are all ready, as you can see. I will just go ahead and pour that into the blender. The ginger, I'll go ahead and add that into the blender. I've got another ingredient here that I will be adding into the blender, which is fresh mint. Mint has got antiseptic and antibacterial properties, and it does help with indigestion. It does soothe an upset stomach. If you're suffering with bad breath, this could be of use as well. It helps with treating common cold. So if you see, there's a common theme here: indigestion helps. All these ingredients that I'm adding do help with indigestion, weight loss. I'll then go ahead now and add a cup of water, depending on how thick you want your smoothie. You can add 2 cups of water, but I want it a bit thicker because I'm consuming it as breakfast. So if you just want it as a drink, you might just add more water to make it a bit lighter for you. I will blend this up before adding in the last ingredient, which I'll show you guys soon, which is a lemon. And smoothie is well blended. Just make sure you blend your smoothie very well because you don't want to be having ginger or pineapple chunks in your mouth. So I'll set that aside. Then I will be adding lemon juice. This is the last ingredient I will be adding. So I'll just go ahead and squeeze out the juice out of 1 lemon. Then I'll add that into our smoothie, and our smoothie will be ready. That's our juice. Last but not the least, I'll just pour in our lemon juice. Then I'll blend just for a couple of seconds. Voila guys, our smoothie is all ready. So I'll just pour that into a glass, which I'll be consuming this morning, and I'll preserve this for tomorrow. Give this recipe a try guys. And if you're joining me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.